to Cebu.
Cebu, 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 Cebu. Magtangkulon simbahan ng Senyor Santo Niño, lugar sa katahumugugma para kaninyo. Laing-laing turista sa sinulog malingaw, maanyag na Cebuana, hihigugma ko ikaw. Los kilos sa Liloan, langgit sa Bantayan, mag-shopping sa Gaisano, mag-beach na sa Hudson. Cebu, 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 Cebu.
Welcome to Chonghua Hospital, Fuentes Mania, Cebu City. Chonghua is the hospital of Cebu, one of the region's premier healthcare institutions. And our conversations will focus on three case areas: the hospital's commitment to health and safety, the application of industrial psychology to enhance workplace dynamics, and last, their strategies for the apprenticeship training.
Okay.
And those topics will be questioned each one of us. But before that, allow me to introduce my members, my classmates in City of San Fernando. First, we have Jelly Sineza.
Hello, good morning.
Next is Miss Mary Jane Bidoledo,
Good morning.
Miss Krisha Amor Rabor, Miss Johanna Daphne Kendari, Miss Marlos Viltangub, and Mr. Kevin Anthony Sarul. Then,
morning.
lastly, your very own Janine Arojado.
Good morning. Good morning, all.
Thank you, sir, and thank you so much. It's our honor to be here.
Thank you for having me as your speaker or as your interview. We.
Good morning once again, sir. So here's my question in industrial psychology subject. How does the hospital address the mental well-being of housekeeping staff?
Okay, first and foremost, importante gid sa mo ang well-being sa mo ang housekeeping. In what sense man? Every month nami mga seminars on healthy, safety, occupational safety, and then first aid. So, gina-practice na mo og unsay mga quality sa mo ang housekeeping in terms of safety. So, meaning ta safety, na sila series of seminars on first aid, fire, earthquake drill. So, when it comes to calamities, kibaw na mi sa mga pagabuhaton. Since we are working in the hospital, part gid me aside from the nurses and the doctors, part gid ang housekeeping unsaon na mo pag-retrieve mga pasyente diri when there is calamity involved. Unsa gato? Mental or well-being?
Mental well-being.
Okay. Ang amo agad diri is the key for our team. Dili matawag na mong employee, but I treat my team as my own family. No? Pinaka-importante gyud sa usa ka trabahante is ang nature sa iyang trabaho when it comes sa iyang mga subordinates, sa iyang mga kauban, as the leader nga you keep your relationships with your teams nga dili siya kanaging sa tawagan na kanang negative nga environment, toxic kumbaga. So every employee nako or every team nako, member nako, kinakumusta gina nako. How was your day? No? Malipayon ba ka sa imong trabaho? How was your workmate? Okay ba? At least kung naamagay mo appear nga problema, masettle ra dayon namo. Darihang dili magud parehatan ng tao, nay tao nga dali ra kuan kanaging si tawagan na niya. Wa ta kibaw anxiety-hon ba siya? Unya plus butangan pud yun yung toxic environment, so gina-deal na namo nga kind of technique para sa amo ang mga para sa amo ang mga subordinates.
Aside sa inyong mga kanang training, sir, na ba mo laing mga activities?
Yes, we have an outdoor activity, especially when summer comes. Nami kaning summer outing. Especially, suki ka na namong Buwanzon when it comes to summer outing. So, para nako, ginanglan mi og icebreaker. No? Dili lang kay puro mi trabaho. We need some space or room to breathe. No? For a while. Bisag usa lang ka adlaw, no? Akong kuan gyud paningkamutan nga since we are in the third shift, the morning shift, second shift and the night shift, no? Nangita ko way nga asa ang area diri nga mag-abot mi ang tanan puros kuan ba available nga shift. Kay gusto nako dili kay iyahay lang ang shift diri nga once mag-outing mi, dapat kuan gyud tanan. That is the only time na magtapok tanan nga magkakumusta ay since we are busy in our work, 3 different shifts man. So, nangita ko paagi nga mausa sila tanan. And that is the only way nga mo strong among camaraderie, among teamwork, because we are working as one. So, inga na ang among icebreaker. We go out swimming, just for one day lang out ang namo topic ang work. So, that is why one of our techniques nga ma-maintain na mo ang strong relationship with each other.
Okay, so nice kayo na nga cancer practice.
Next question, sir. Are there measures in place to assess job satisfaction among housekeeping employees?
Number one of which is every quarter we do some evaluations for our team. Evaluations, for the purpose of evaluations, para ma-maintain na mo unsay ginahangad sa hospital nga ilang gusto nga achieve. No, that is one way, or shall we say a technique nga pinagi sa evaluations, makita nimo on each individual ug unsa sila ka performed. No, evaluation states at number one gini kung mahimo na mong trabahante is the attendance. Company should always look for the attendance, no, unsa ka kuan ang empleyado, kung sige ba kag late, sige ba kag absent. Number two is the work performance, no, ang imuhang evaluation for the last 3 months, evaluate ka for the next 3 months if na ba improvements. So that is why we carefully evaluating those employees nga hardworking, and rest assured unsa amo ang kuan nila, unsa amo ang bugtiana. Every December mo kuan mi og best cleaners award. So that is why they are very inspired, because they will highly appreciated when it comes in kuana kanang awarding na the best cleaners awards. Nasa mi best supervisory, nasa mi best team leaders, and aside from housekeeping, nasa mi mga other departments, departing attendants, from the office, nasa mi scanner. So dili lang kay ang tibuok whole team nako is not just only for housekeeping but also for other departments. So that is why we have to evaluate them every 3 months. So that's why nga ingana gyud mo kuan gyud para maka-aim mi sa unsay gusto ni Chongwa.
Sir, kanang inig-evaluate ninyo, sir, kanang mo evaluate, kinsa may evaluate ang ikaw or nailaing tao?
Okay, that is a good questions. Actually, I am from, kung imong ikuha ng pyramid, I am from the top, no? From the top, na ako'y two branches, the supervisors and the team leaders. From supervisors and team leaders down to the housekeepers and other departments. So, si supervisor mo evaluate ni team leader since under man siya, then si team leader mo evaluate sa iyahang gingsakupan. Actually, you are in the 10th floor. What we did is nami tulo ka team leaders bracketing mo na sila. From 11th floor, 10th floor, 9th floor, we have one team leader assigned. Next is the 8th floor, 7th floor, and then 6th floor, one team leader assigned. 5th floor to the ground floor is one team leader assigned. Those team leaders that are assigned from their respective bracketing, sila ang umu-evaluate because they are the one who focused on that particular cleaners. So sila mo evaluate and then the supervisors will evaluate the team leaders. I will be the one who will evaluate the supervisors. That is our bracketing. Kay dili man ako mabantayan 200 personnel versus that is too impossible to evaluate each and every. But I know my downline. I know each and every members of my team, but I cannot foresee them 24 hours. You get what I mean? So, asa sila na involved na leaders, sila ang mo evaluate. I was the one who will only review kay watakibaw ba ang supervisors tungod kay kanang amigo sila niya, sige binuang. I will the one, kaya makakita man ko inig plotting na ko sa DTR, kinsay na nga late, kinsay na nga absent. And especially, kung ba na ni Marot, maayo na siya nga, sige, di na malate, di na siya malate. No, mauna akong sukdanan, ngano ang uban duol kaayo, malate, ngano ang naitaga San Fernando, di man malate. So, ingana ang mindset sa usa ka leader when it comes to evaluations, dapat dili lang basihan nimo nga maayo siyang tao, but also as well as the performance, the whole you gid na ang evaluate gid. Ana siya, ingana mi mo strengthen og strong foundation sa usa ka grupo. Kinahanglan unsay gibuhat sa usa mo sa buhaton sa unison, kumbaga unison of movement, unison of operations. Kana lang.
Next question. How are workloads assigned to ensure fairness and prevent burnout?
Okay. Workloads, in terms of workloads, gina-divide gina namo. In what way man? Unsay trabaho sa usa, mo say trabaho sa tanan. Number 1, example is the morning shift. Ang morning shift ginatrabaho nila is to clean the room with patients. So meaning 11th floor, 9th floor, 8th floor, lain-lain siya workloads. Meaning lain-lain. So every wing, duha man ka wing. Wing A and wing B. Si wing A na ay, let's say for example, 18 lang ka pasyente. Si wing B na siya 31. So patas dili. So dili siya. Para mapatas, what we did is katong daghan og pasyente among butangag usa. So meaning duha na sila. So patas na dili. Sa pikas nga way patas na. So ingana mi para dili makaingon nga unfair because ang usa na 18 ka buok na diri 31. So butangan na mo usa nga makatabang ni 31. Para at the end of the na mami cut off, dapat by 1 PM to 2 PM nakapamasura na. So wala nay manglimpyo sa room. Because mo take effect na ang second shift, ang ilang buhaton is discharge only. Discharge meaning mo limpyo sila sa room nga gipanghawaan na mga pasyente. Ang morning shift is nang limpyo sila while naay pasyente. Ang discharge room manglimpyo sila nga wala na pasyente para ready na for the next coming patients. So ingana mo patas mi workloads. And also the discharge cleaning, as you can see, dako kay room no nya, we have only given 45 minutes for discharge cleaning. So uban nga nagtambay ra, walay gibuhat kay wala pa discharge ang room. Nya ang usa kay nagkundasingot na og kuan. So dili patas. So what we did is pasakaon tong walay gibuhat para patabangon diri sa naglimpyo. That is why how we handle fairness and equality between our cleaners. So gana kinanglan kung leaders ka, kinanglan kibaw ka mo timon, kibaw ka mo balanse, asa to naglisod to tabangan. That is the one key na mo nga exist mi diri, nagdugay mi diri. Si JSI is working up to 8 years now, no? Unreplaceable for now. It is because aside from our strategy to maintain the fairness and equality of each member, we do also give them a great when it comes to sweldo. Hindi na sila pwedeng mali sweldo. When ilang sweldo ma-fall on Saturday and Sunday, we will give them on Friday, not in Monday. It never happened for 8 years. So that is why we give hatag mi og inspiration sa mga cleaners. That is the number one key. Wala gyud ko kani diri mga empleyado nga gireklamuhan mi nga dugay mi nagtrabaho. Manang inspired sila ang trabaho because the company give itself what they want. No? Yeah, ang akong role diri is to give them the fairness and equality. Unsay mahatag na ko sa mausad sa tanan, walay mulabaw, walay mukuan. That is why we are stronger than ever nga magtrabaho diri without any kuan nga nang nami gipabayaan nga tao. Ana lang.
So, good morning once again, sir.
Good morning.
This question is all about occupational health and safety.
Okay.
So, what health and safety protocols are in place to protect housekeeping staff from exposure to hazardous substances like cleaning chemicals?
Okay. That's a very good question because before namo gi-deploy diri ang mga housekeeper, we will train that on our home base at CSI office. In what way man? Nami ginatawag dito o kanang mock-up room. What is mock-up room? The mock-up room is just like a mini room nga gikuha ang idea unsay naa sa room. TV, cabinet, IV stand, mechanical bed, CR, tanan dito naka-in place dito sa mock-up room. So, ang imo dito, I myself will be going to train. So, before namo gisugdan paarion diri, amo nang gina-train dito on the on what we call the standard operating procedures. In what way man? Given the fact nga ang Chongwa ni hatag namo og standard operating procedures, mo sa namong gamiton dito sa mga new intakes. Tawag na mo nila mga new intakes or mga bagong hired, no? Before na isalang na mo diri sa gubat, amo na i-train dito for 3 days. Number one technique na mo is to familiarize the color coding. What color coding man? Gikan sa map, gikan sa dusting cloth, nanami mga color coding. Let's say for example, sa map nga green, asa man nimo siya gikuan? Asa man nimo gamito ng map nga green? Ang map nga green is intended for room only. So anha na mo take effect ang health and sa tawagan na unsa tay mong gi-question regarding sa
Occupational health and safety.
occupational health and safety because as we all know, hospital is very prone sa mga sakit. So, in order para dili mo scattered ang sakit, we the housekeepers are the one who will in charge to clean the room thoroughly. So, unsaon pag-clean sa housekeeper kung dili nimo tudluan sa exact nga paglimpyo. So, we have color codings para dili ma-spread. Kung ang room only for the green map and ang red nga map is for the CR, for the next coming room, the same ang map nga gamiton for the entire area ng cleaning. Walay walay hazardous nga mag-transfer or ang iyang infectious ma-transfer because one caller will only designate from one particular place. Unlike sa other hospital nga, kung sige map niya sa room, mo sa i-map niya sa CR. So, mo nang magka-transfer ang mga kwan. We here at Chongwa, we have disciplined, we have an standard operating procedures nga magamit na mo by way of our new intakes ma-inform. Number 2 is the chemical. How do we use it? Dili hazardous. We will teach them makita ninyo sa amo janitorial cart na siya itawag og material safety para sa mga chemicals. Na siya MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet. So, makita nila dito ang air freshener, example, unsay mga nasa inyong mind ba sa hospital? Chlorine. Chlorine is our main pangtanggal gyud sa mga squan. Dili, I mean kaning hugaw. Okay. Bawal naman diri ang kuan muriatic. Since we are working in the hospitals, number 1 cleaners ginamo ang chlorine. We have mga kuan like say for example air fresheners kanang among spray via air but it will always contain kuan gyapon disinfectant. Toilet bowl cleaning for CR. So kanatanan ginatudlo na namo dili pwede mag-mixing because makasunog na silang baga. So we have material data sheet or MSDS nga mo provide og informations nga ma-safety ang mogamit sa chemicals. So every time nga ma-dispose na sila diri, kibaw na sila unsay buhaton each and chemicals. So mo na siya, ingana na mo ginahandle ang safety and well-being sa amo ang empleyado. One last, di ba kibaw mo nga naagita og COVID?
Yes, sir.
What we are trying to protect for our employees is we will use a PPE. And what is that PPE? A personal protective equipment.
So, ako follow up, sir. Like you said, na may standard sa
Yes.
pagkuhan.
Mm-mm.
So far ba, sir, wabay na dawat nga reklamo so,
Di
patient?
magiging kay ng perfect, no? There are two types of patients na sila na ka maumusabot, na sila di ka maumusabot. Ang importante lang yun is we will good take gihandle na mo properly in a sense nga ma-deliver na mo unsay gusto nilang satisfactions nga gusto nila ma-achieve within that particular rooms. Nasa sa mi panahon nga inigsuli mo sa room, di gyud siya well perfectly cleaned. What we did is dili sa namo pasudlon, limpian sa namo taro before they will enter the room. Di gyud ta kaingon nga we are perfect. Despite of we have a good standard cleaning procedures, there is good kuan good there is a little bit problem with that we'll encounter. Dili man na mo hold good usahay ang room, especially when the room is cleaned and maagian ng pila ka adlaw. Di man ta kibaw gud kinsa mga manood. Dili lang housekeeping ang pwede musud sa room. Naaday other than departments nga manood sa room.
So, kung in
So
conclusion,
what we did para malikay na ana nga kuan, what we did is para malikaya na mo ing ana is every time nga mo release mi og room, we have to double check before we release the room.
so i-handle jud ninyo with kuan jud, sir.
Yes, especially we have a suggestion box here. We have also patient's feedbacks, what we call patient's feedbacks. That particular patient's feedbacks, is it good or bad, ikuha na good sa pasyente before they will discharge. No, we have received a couple of patient's feedbacks regardless of positive and negative. Maglabi yun ang positive kaysa negative. What we do for the negative feedbacks, we will trace the cleaners, we will trace the team leaders, we will trace the supervisors who handle that particular rooms, and then we will tawag ko na mo sila for counseling. Unsa nga nimong gibuhat, labi na kanang maka-encounter sila og kanang problema kanang dugay, they will request a tabu or kanang kabo. And magpares mo ng kabo o gambaldi. So, depende mo guna pag-response sa ato ang cleaners and supervisors and team leaders. Uy, si room 1015 nanginanglan og kabuog balde. Depending on the ability because ang supervisor dito gibisi dayon dili dayon ya imagine na we were not allowed to go to the elevators. We were only allowed through stairs. And we are not Superman nga nasa 10th floor ang amo ang supervisors down to 5th floor. We will use the stairs. So as much as possible ang pinakaduol nga team leader mo ganay mo response.
About sa katayo mong gi-mention ganina, sir, about evaluation sa inyo ang mga employees, sir. Nabay ka ng impact ang patient kung mo-feedback siya in that certain employee, sir?
Mhm. Sorry. balik. Di na ini. Ay, chat na ako. Okay, good. Shoot.
Okay, balik na itong answer ba, question about evaluation sa imong
Okay.
employee. Nabay ka ng kuan ang impact ang patient kung mo kuan siya og kanang kuan sa feedback about that employee. For example, kanang ako a patient
Okay.
niya, kana siya nga nagkuan sa kuang room, nakauyon ko niya, akong ikuan na ba na siya ikuan sa inyong evaluation nga gibuhat ka sa kada 3 months?
Yes, aside mo kuan mi na mo every evaluations mag-base mi sa performance. As what I've said, mag-base mi sa performance sa tao. That particular feedbacks for the patients which is positive, it will reflect to their evaluation. Also, the negative feedbacks, it will always reflect to their evaluation. So, kuan lang, maintaining lang ang balance lang ang pag-evaluate. Because most likely yun, mao ganay amo ang kuan og base. Not just their attitude, not just their performance, but also the whole package of the evaluations we would like to emphasize during the evaluation. Ano lang?
So, sir, follow-up question, sir, kanang everyday ba mo mag-ili sa kwan, like, bed, sir, ba about sa room?
There are two factors, housekeeping and linen, which is separate persons will indicate in that particular. Everyday, as to everyday maglimpyo, yes, but a change of linen is depending on the number of days they will stay, depending on their request also. If they will request to replace the linen, then the linen department will take good care of the linens. The housekeeping department will take good care of the cleaning every day. Pila ka times, kausa lang may manglimpyo sa kadlaw, but kung gusto sila malimpyuhan for the second time, they will request it. Sana lang. Yes, every day may magalimpyo, but ang pag-change sa linen depending on the number of days na magstay sila. It's just say, for example, 3 days, murag hugaw na kayo mo linen, then we will request. Then the linen department came from Juan, ilis na yun ang linen. So as the curtains. Okay?
So next question, sir, is what personal protective equipment or PPE is provided to housekeeping staff?
Okay. The normal personal protective equipment that they're going to use by the housekeeping before pandemic is kuha na gana siya. Makita ninyo kaning tawag nga mask. No, mask. And then kanang gitawag nila nga long cuff gown kapantay mo ng puti nga ari sod sa luyo. Ari ang hikot sa luyo. That is the long cuff gown. But when the pandemic came, the COVID came, we add some more protective equipments for the housekeeping. Number one is the face shield. Face shield. So pero ang pinaka basic yun na mo main types of equipments is the
3M nga gloves.
yes,
Mask.
mask is katong ordinary mask, and then napagi N95 mask.
N95.
Yan dayon katong kuan
Gown.
gown, and then gloves. The last but not the least for the COVID is the
Suit.
sari kit. Sari kit is just like an astronaut. mura katong photos na tanan ba?
Murag suit na.
Yes. Nya, every time nga sulubo na nila, kinanglan the whole room will be cleaned before nila ihubo. And we have doofing area. That is why nga ma-handle ka mo dili magbalik-balik ang ugaw. Mo na siya ang mga personal protective equipment nga gina-use for COVID and non-COVID.
Pag time sa pandemic, wala ba na mga housekeeping nga nakakuha po dog ka ng sakit
kuan?
na COVID? Na kuan sila.
During gyud kasagsagan sa pandemic, actually we don't have any idea on how going to kuan. Honestly, ang akong staff from 90 ka staff down to 50 na lang nanghadlok ang ubang staff. Manang baw kayo ko sa mga nagpabili na ko nga staff kanang makaingon ta mga warriors gid ba? Because bag-o mo guni nato nga case kani siya. The hospitals even don't know what we are going unsa ni nga monster among i-fight. But what we did is gitagaan mi sa namami department nga infectious department. Gitagaan mi idea ug unsay mga personal protective equipment among gamiton into cleaning the room. We double the standards of chlorine. Instead, we use 10% of the kanang chlorine. A mixture gyud sa chlorine para makuha na mo 14% is 50 liters of water and 1 liter of chlorine. Mao gani the usual na mo. Pag abot sa time sa COVID, gidouble na mo as per Department of Health. So nigamit mi og 0.5. 0.5 is 10 liters of water unya 1 liters of pure chlorine. Mo na ingana ka isog. Mo na we need i-mask nga dili makadaot sa baga. So para pagpatay sa jakuan. So COVID is been a wake up call for us nga importante gyud nga aside from PPE kinahanglan mo boost gyud ang imong immune system. No, that is why we are very thankful nga naka-experience me ana nga ri. And I am very thankful nga katong mga 19 ako ka staff nga down to 55 na lang those staffs nga nagpabili nako are the ones who nagpabili nako 100 karon. No, I am very thankful nga with that one kibaw ko kinsara day ang warriors nako when it comes to kuan mga tingana nga mga kuan. Ang uban hadlok sila. Ako di ko pwede mahadlok mga naman. I am a leader, I have to stand by it. Nga ako numero 1 naagi ko diri. Wa ko mahadlok kay na ako'y kinanglanon nga kuan mga pamilya nga ginabuhi. So I have to stand for it. Dapat ako dili ko numero 1 nga mahadlok. Pero naasa ko una nga basin and in relation to your questions yes, pag swab na mo naagi na positive. What we did is we will evacuate them to the safer place sa what we call this atbang sa medical mall, the Cherry School. Ato na kuanon sila dito, i-monitor sila for 15 days. And then kaloy sa Ginoo mga discharge naman sila. And then I am very thankful nga pag human silang balik na sila duty. Actually, COVID is not dili gyud siya for a kill. It's just only a disease. It's just a matter of lifestyle. So, katong mga nangamatay sa COVID, they have only existing disease, which they cannot provide. Pero kanang strong na immune system, di ba mo sa tambalat, BGC ka. No, kanang kuha na gyud, makuha na gyud sa mga reports outside, kay grabe ang report ba. But kami na diri sa hospital, kami makibaw on how to treat us in kuan gid. So muna ang reflect. Ipokrito ko moingon ko walay nakuan sa akong mga tao. Even doctors and nurses gay naagi pa positive. How much more sa akong mga tao? But less lang ako mga tao because iniglimpyo nila wala na may pasyente. Unlike doctors and nurses nga makahikap gid sila. So less ang ako. Nay ma-positive it is because siguro on the negative side nga kuan na pa-positive sila but dili nga nga pareha sa doktor nga tagpila ka buwan sila ma-stuck. Ang ako is days only discharge sila. So that's it. Ana lang.
Pala about kung sir, PPE kanang allow ba ang mga cleaning staff na manglimpyo without using PPE?
Okay. Allowed ba ang cleaners manglipyo without using PPE? Depending on the rooms nga ilahang limpyuhan. We have two different rooms, the regular rooms and the with precaution rooms. Kung saan siyang precautions rooms? Mo ni mga precautions rooms nga ang involved nga patients na ay mga posibleng makatakod nga sakit. Number one is the tuberculosis. Adto gina sila sa mga zero negative rooms. Pasabot ana bisan hangin dili pwede makasulod because the tuberculosis is a contagious sakit nga pwede makahawa via air. So, ang atong cleaners ana na sila technique unsa man paglimpyo kay di man nimo makuha ng rooms nga regular rooms tanan. So what we did is unahon ang regular rooms awahi ang mga with contact precautions. Ang imong pangutan na allowed ba sila? They are not allowed to clean the room with contact precautions. Allowed sila mo limpyo without any PPE during regular rooms. Okay? So, ibutang na to kung manglimpyo sila o contact rooms pero was sila magamit og PPE. That's the violation under our health net. Health and health under our health sa tawagan na under our health provisions, no? So, pwede sila na mo-iaran because they are not following proper instructions. So, naagi uban ngayon di ni makamatay nga nang mga pasaga na bukas na bababa but we were not going to tolerate that kind of dapat gud i-impose nimo kanang sakit dili na to pawa dapat ipagbawala kay ngano man aside from the contact precautions namo tay ginaingon gud nga pwedeng ikay buhay career sa pasyente or pwedeng si pasyente mahimong career. So either that way kinahanglan maprotekta mo each sa inyong problema. Okay?
So another question, sir, about occupational health and safety. Are housekeeping employees trained to handle biohazardous waste or infectious material safely?
Biohazard waste are kuha na siya. Kinahanglan ang imo ibutang diha mga well trained. But before that, naami ginatawag every year nga waste management seminar. The waste management seminar is composed of all waste hazardous standard. Number one of which is the infectious materials. Ang infectious, it's just say, for example, I guess nakasuod si Mar diri sa 5B nga ultra radiation. Kanang ultra radiation is an hazardous waste. Walay makalimpyo diha kung naa pa ang pasyente diha because that is so hazardous. We put that on the orange plastic. Pasabot ng orange plastic, pwede na makatakod, pwede makaguba sa imong kinabuhi na. So, we will train about that because we have a waste disposal seminar. Number 2, naasan mi seminar on the mga machines nga gamiton. Let's say for example, para opera, kinahanglan ma-sterilize ginatanan before ang operations because that is too hazardous. No. Number 3, kana mga dextrose, asa na namo gipangmutang. Especially when you are in the OR room. Kanang mga putol nga kamot, matiil. Oh yes, for the kanang mga operations such as accident, no? Nami proper disposal na because that is too hazardous, no? Unsa pa? Chemicals, biochemicals reactions nasa may particular nga kuan ana. Separate seminars ana. In short, ang among gipang deploy diha nga mga tao, especially on central garbage, mo ganit pinaka das utanan. Mao na importante nami color coding sa plastic. Green, black, yellow, orange. So transport ana sa kuan sa central garbage, ang yellow ilain na nila because that is infectious. na ay laing truck nga mo kolekta na a private sector nga truck. The green and the black is the government who will get that kind of toxic. Those what I am telling you, the pathology department, mo na among kanon, pick upon, go to Liluan, naaman dito amo ang burning chamber. Ato na i-kuan dito. I-sunogon for decomposition. So that is why limpyo na gyapon because each team nasa nila laing role for the hazardous, the containable, and the contaminations. In terms of linens, kanila mga dugo, nasa tayo ginatawag og decontamination area, which is ato dito i-kuan chemicals na mo ibutang dayon limpyohon, mo na mabalik siya, nindot na, kay decontaminated naman siya. Unlike sa regular simple naman kayong regular. So nagyapon tayo na each departments will have their own roles, but every year gina-develop na mo ang among mindset nga naay new technique nga makuha na mo which through seminars. Yes. Yan na.
Question is about apprenticeship training. So my first question, sir, is does Chonghua Hospital offer an apprenticeship or on-the-job training program for new housekeeping staff?
Yes, they will offer a 15 days training period of a new intake. Ang tawag na mo ni Ana is a body system. Every new intake, mag-OGT sila with the one particular housekeeper nga nakaposting na diri. So meaning, kung naay usa ka bag-o nga cleaners, amo ning assign dito sa mga regular na nga cleaners. So magkuyog na sila every day mo nang ningon body system para tudluan sila unsa gi standard operating procedures in cleaning sa first shift, second shift og night shift. Kanang tulo ka shift ang atong OJT-an na matilawan gyud na nila each for 3 days.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Sir, follow-up question, sir.
Okay.
Ang inyong OJT diri, sir, is mo-absorb ba mo nila, sir, para mahimo na sang kuan diri? sa
Actually, among new intake is already employed. What we did is, hatagan sila og layway for 15 days na makat-on sila before na mo sila buhian o makadecide me on which shift sila applicable.
So much, sir, kanang grabe kanang overwhelmed jud kay mi nga kanang napaunlakan mi nimo diri sa Chonghua.
Why not?
Pero bitaw kanang imagine na supervisor supposedly dapat na siya gibuhat ron, di ba? Pero gitagaan jud niya time mo na kanang overwhelmed kay mi and we are so grateful then kanang in exchange sa imong paghatag og oras na mo nami kanang gamay nga palipay nimo, sir, kay since it's Christmas kanang Merry Christmas, sir, kanang kani siya kay baratuhon na gyud siya kay
May problema na ako.
So pero kinasing-kasing gyud na
Okay,
amo gyud
gwa,
ang
no?
sir.
Inyo
Yeah.
pag-ari is kuha na nato.
Thank you kay sir ha kanang.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yes. Okay na. Magkuhan mo kami sa among eskwelahan. So, may gabi, may buntag di ay.
Hello, mic test. Hello.
I'm from Chocha. Kanang kuhan, sir, aside sa kanang naman mo yung dapat po mga OGTs, no? Kanang unsa pud nga training inyong kanang unsa nga kanang wait sa